Hey, Dada. The train. What's this?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Stick and two.
Say hi, Uncle Boo.
Hi, Uncle Boo.
Say how you doing.
How you doing?
Tell him you miss him.
I miss him.
So you'll see him this weekend.
Yeah. See? Yeah. Happy. Again. Turn up it. No.
Are you telling him something?
No. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you telling him?
Yeah. He go you.
Oh.
You go you. Yeah. You go you. Oh. Thanks.
Tell him about Chrissy.
About Christian over there playing. Don't go you. No. Oh.